Hello guys, how are you? I hope so. Now we are going to talk about most expensive 2022 Land Rover. Range Rover costs $183,150, but before I have to ask you to subscribe and leave your like. Let's go to the video. The 2022 Land Rover Range Rover starts at $105,350, though the right trim with the right options can see that price balloon. The choice of a V8 engine, the luxurious autobiography trim, and the availability of a first edition model can add piles of cash to the final price. However, the right combination can see the SUV hit $183,150, and that's even before diving into the plethora of dealer-installed accessories. The long wheelbase 5-seat autobiography edition with the V8 starts at $157,350, and it's cheaper to start than the first edition models. However, the LWB variant has a few more options that help tick it above the FEs. The icy white satin finish exterior paint is the priciest option, which adds $12,050 to the MSRP. Other exterior options include bespoke 23-inch wheels, $2,000, the exterior shadow pack and black contrast roof, $2,000, a tow hitch receiver, $750, a full-size spare, $550, advanced tow assist, $450, and a heated windshield, $350. Inside, the $7,650 in upgrades include the $5,200 24-way heated and cooled massaging seats, near-aniline leather seats, $1,150, and natural black birch veneer, $1,300. Many of these optional features are standard or not available with the first edition models, like the $12,500 exterior paint option. The first edition model only has a $7,450 optional exterior color. However, the first edition can creep into the high $170,000 price range. You don't have to spend a fortune to get a well-equipped 2022 Range Rover. The entry-level standard wheelbase model starts at $105,350, with the V8 being an additional $15,000. Though customers can add a host of exterior and interior options that actually add features instead of just visual enhancements. Heated and cooled seats, $2,000, semi-aniline leather seats, $1,850, and the SV Bespoke Full Extended Leather Upgrade, $1,500, add a lot of luxury without the eye-watering cost. An optional technology pack, $2,000, Meridian 3D surround sound system, $1,200, and Park Assist, $200, round out the available options for a $116,900 price, giving customers a lot of choice. There are plenty of dealer-installed options available that could see the price tag grow even more, though their compatibility depends on the Range Rover's configuration. For example, there's a rear seat stowage pouch available, though it conflicts with the available rear seat entertainment system. Land Rover notes the SV variant won't arrive until next year, so you can't configure it right now, though that trim could become the most expensive Range Rover when it goes on sale next year. Configure your own 2022 Range Rover at the source link below. So that's it guys, comment what you think of this article and don't forget to click like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.